guys, it is Sunday. We come back from holiday 2 days ago and we've already started putting this in. I didn't do any vlogging yesterday because it was a hard day pairing everything up, but doing some today. So I'll show you what we've got up to so far, but there's more to come because we haven't finished yet. We're going to carry on. So a little station, what we got going on. That's going to be the new sink. Got some new, nice new coppers in there to make it longer. Dishwasher's going to go there. There's going to be another cupboard with a little twirly thing on there. It's going to twirl around like this. That is where the ovens go in, and that is where there's going to be a load of drawers, and then there's a big fridge. So we've got new electrics put in as well. So everything's health and safety. Everything's just a lot safer. So we're getting along quite good. We're on progress so far. Because I've got to go back to work and Howard has got to go back to work as well. So we're cracking on with it. Hey guys, so we finished doing a more in the kitchen from when I vlogged a little bit earlier. So there'll be a little shorter vlogs, shorter days, because there'll just be a lot of what we're doing. Other than what's going on in the house, we're not really doing much else. Eloise ain't doing really much, and I'm obviously here working. But this is what we've done today. So we've got our wine rack that's built for the wine. Not that we drink loads, but it's nice. It looks better than a little shelf. This is going to be the cupboard with all the drawers. So I'll have 3 drawers. 3 drawers. That's the oven housing. We filled some of the wall in. We got to pick some more, fill it up tomorrow. We knew we didn't have loads, but we thought we'd try and see what we can fill it in. This is going to be the big shelf with, it's like a round shelf that pulls out. I'll show you when that comes in. A carousel. The dishwasher, the best invention in the kitchen so far. Dishwasher, dishwasher. And then this is where the sink is. New pipes fitted today, copper pipes. And then that is where the washing machine is going to live. And then you've got, that is where the wine rack is going to go. From there to there. Because this is not steady and built in, we thought we might as well just leave it there. Because we don't want it to be unsafe. So Lyra and Eloise at home as well. Let's see where they are. They're upstairs somewhere. Here she is. Oh, I nearly fell down the stairs. Who's my beautiful girl? Who's my beautiful girl? And she's gone in the bathroom. We are just about to put her in the bath, and then I'm going to watch the Formula 1. Hungary Formula 1 is on in Budapest. Can't get in the gate. So we're just going to get her ready, go to bed, and we're going to chill because the gas man's coming at 8 o'clock tomorrow. And we were up at 9 today because Lyra didn't wake us up till 9. So that's going to be fun. But I'll catch you guys later. I'll show you more of what we get on tomorrow. Ta-ra! Well guys, it is Monday. We're already starting the kitchen. Things are getting done.
Yeah, depending on how big the orb is, I put it this way because it's...
They're going to be sideways in there. You wanted them.
Yeah, but you can't hold them up like that.
That look good, doesn't it?
Huh?
I think your dad was going to do the other way. Which way?
Well, we've already talked about it.
That way, is it?
Well, it's nice to have something different, isn't it? But yeah, that's going to look good. It's the same, exactly the same as them.
Smashing!
Finished all the bits in the kitchen for today. We just put on the first worktop and it's actually looking like it's coming together now. We just cut the first bit and put it on top so you can actually see kind of nearly a finish of the bottom half of the kitchen, which we've pretty much done now, which is nice because it was so fiddly. Me and Howard trying to get all the screws in and sort out the bottom bit so it's secure. Just took a little bit of time. We're now on our way up to Eloise's mum's because she's happily made us food. She's pretty much catering for us for the week, which is very nice of her.
And to retrieve our daughter.
Yeah, and obviously Lyra's still up at the minute because Eloise come down the house to have a look at what we were doing. But yeah, we're going to go up now, have some food, pick up Lyra, and then he's turning. And then we will be coming home then. I'll show you a little bit of the kitchen and then we'll be going to bed. Then I got to get a vlog edited for you guys. And then
we've got to catch up on Love Island because it's the final tonight.
It's the final tonight, is it?
Yeah.
We got to catch up on Love Island. I think we're only one behind now. So that'll give me time to edit while I'm watching that because I like to multitask. Quality Cars. Was that a wedding? I don't know. I'll have a look at that later. But catch you guys in a bit. Hey guys, it's Tuesday today. It is day 3. Day 3? Yeah. Day 3 of fitting in the kitchen. And it's going well. Worktop, the first worktop was in today. As you can probably hear in the background, another worktop's being cut. And we're going good. I've just had to pop out and go get tyres for my car because it had a puncture. So, new tyres for the car now, and the car is full because I left it on empty while we went away because I didn't want to sat there with loads and loads of like fuel in the car when I was away for a week. So I thought I'd empty it just to make sure that it was just safe with all the hot weather we had. I read a few bits of articles about blowing up and silly things like that. I just didn't want to take any precautions. I'm going to get some more filming done of what's going on, and I'll see you in a bit. So guys, this is day 4. Doesn't look like much more has been done, I guess, from this angle. But a lot of niggly bits have been done today. So look, the worktop's on over this side. The sink is literally ready to be fitted. The hole is there. Just don't want it fitted yet. It'll be fitted tomorrow. That's done. The pane in our backside, the dishwasher, is level. We had to put some tiles under there, which have been stuck to the floor with mastic, so they're not going anywhere. But if we need to ever pull them up to replace it, etc., then they can pull up quite easily. The side is done here. We've done all these as well. They took a while as well as cutting. And the cooker is in as well. So let me pull this up. The cooker is under there. So yeah, it may not look like from yesterday, I guess, that loads have been done, because they've all been covered by like cardboard boxes, because we just don't want them to... Oh, and the wall's been done as well, guys, look. Look how better that looks. Just gotta sand him down. Just gotta sand him down now. But yeah, as I was saying before, it may not look like loads have been done, because we're keeping boxes under everything. We don't want anything to get damaged before we kind of get everything up and running. So yeah, gonna go up and have my din-dins now. I got pizza, I think, tonight from Eloise's mum. She's making me pizza. Eloise is gonna go out for food with her friend, so I'm babysitting little Lyra, and then I'll just chill. Tell my speech later.
I'm not gonna be late.
And that, I'm just gonna sign off here, just in case we forget to sign off later of what we've done today, because as I said, we're not really doing a whole lot. I'm out there all day, and Eloise is out.
Hello.
And she's going out. So, catch you guys in a bit.
Me, Lyra, Mum and Caitlin went to have a browse around some shops today, and it was really nice just to chill and window shop and stuff. But
where's the kitchen?
We need to invest in 2 cameras, don't we? So I can take one and you can keep one with you.
It's on the agenda, guys. 2 cameras.
So you can see both of our days.
We're gonna go. I'm hungry. Let's go.